Hello everyone, welcome to Battle Cats, where we will be playing the Battle Cats. I'm kind of new to the game. Kind of, I'm not that new to the game. I obviously know what I'm doing. It's just that I'm kind of new to it because, well, I haven't really been playing the game that often. Anywho, that's my closest. Alright, so the closest cat I have to true forming is Walt and Giraffe Cat. Now, of course, I already have a true form, Molly Cat. But I honestly want to show you my most powerful cat for each scene, for each section. Now this should be no surprise. The Armageddon. Okay. We also have Wushu Cat. Yeah, he's pretty powerful. My most powerful one of these is probably Single-Language Cat. And obviously I am uber carried by Lasvos. Well, I'm not exactly carried to Lasvos, but Lasvos really helps. Anywho, let's begin. Oh no, whatever shall I do against this army? I'm not even ready for a second heal yet. Why'd you come through here? Who's the most got an enemy on you? I only get one retry. I just hit the jackpot. Go! Come on. No. I think I can't kill a singular. Oh, okay, we finally killed one. All we do is like kill the two others. It's a pretty green Oh man. Oh well. Alright, we need meat shields. We're obviously going to have these. Then we'll have the obviously. We'll have Commando Cat, Rover, and Shifu Cat. For the super rares. Alright. And I feel like a long distance enemy would do really well. And this stage. Alright. So we have... Alright, so we are going to send one of them... Obviously okay. Goodness great, I did not expect that let's just take out a big Alright, send out one of them. Okay, I definitely say I can confidently say I appreciate it. You wanna know what we have been escaped by ultimate lava, Yamaha, and that one. Okay. And now I've got it.